took my car to the shop. Something wasn't right. They said it sounds like a Johnson rod. They kept it overnight. All of that money, car trouble, goes to fix these problems as I drive away. Car trouble, what is that I hear? A really bad noise. Car trouble coming from the engine. Had to turn around. Car trouble, anxiety and fear. As I return, the shop is closed. They're putting out the lights. Saw them getting in their cars. They put up quite a fight. How will I get home? Car trouble, you bastards ruined my car. You better fix it tonight. Car trouble, or you'll all die here. They pulled it in the bay. Car trouble, and put it on that lift. They were working all night. Car trouble, until the power went out. No excuses now. You know you gotta fix this. I know the truth about the Johnson rod. I know you never replaced it. Spending more money, car trouble, on things I never should have. Screwed with a grease gun. Car trouble, while those pistons were pumped.